Netflix profile transfer, how to give your Netflix to others. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can transfer Netflix profiles, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to transfer your Netflix profile to another profile instead of using the Netflix app, I would recommend that you open up your browser and go to netflix.com instead. Then tap the three lines option over here. So go to netflix.com, then tap the three lines option. So let me also just go ahead and then load this up first of all. So once you go to netflix.com, you want to tap on the three lines option from the top left and simply go to this option that says account. Then once you go to account over here, you want to simply scroll down, and here you can just simply select the profile that you want to transfer. Then tap on the transfer option to transfer this profile. Enter your details to verify it, and your profile will get successfully transferred to another profile if you want to. And this way you will be able to transfer your Netflix profiles. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.